Joan from the Boys and Girls Club at Olivet, and I am going to do an experiment with you using vinegar and baking soda. First, you're going to pour half a cup of vinegar into a glass bottle. Then you're going to mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water and mix that up. All right, then we're going to mix the baking soda up till it's liquid. And then we're going to pour it into the glass bottle. The baking soda and the vinegar together creates bubbles. The acid in the vinegar causes bubbles when it mixes with the base in the baking soda. That's my experiment for today. See you later.